Good day, everyone. My name is James Hari de Lima, and this is the things I learned in teaching music in elementary grades. First, I learned about what is music. Music is an ancient art form that began during prehistoric times and carries it with a history for each human culture throughout the world. Music was also used in religious ceremonies, theater production, and other public events. And I learned about the seven elements of music. And these are the seven elements of music: the sound, the rhythm, the tempo, the dynamics, the melody, the harmony, the and texture. First is sound. The sound are the sound produced by the instrument, which is in periodic vibration, can be controlled by the performer. Second is rhythm. Rhythm is a regular pattern of beats, sound, and movement. Third is tempo. Tempo is the speed of given piece or section of the music. Number four is the dynamics. Dynamic means how quietly or how loudly a piece of music should be played. Number five is, I mean, number six is Number five is melody. Melody is a combination of pitch and rhythm. Number six is harmony. Harmony is the sound created when two or more sound of different pitches are played at the same time. Last is texture. Texture is how the tempo and the melodic and harmonic materials are combined together in a musical composition, determining the overall quality of a sound in a piece. I learned about the staff. What is staff? A staff is a set of five parallel lines and four spaces used to write notes and other symbols to indicate pitches or pitch and rhythm. The staff act as a visual guide for the musician to with the vertical position of a note on the staff is determining its pitch. Higher notes are placed higher on the staff, and the lower notes are placed in the lower part of a staff. And this is the example of staff. The first one is the staff with treble clef. The second one is staff with alto clef. And the third one is the example of staff with bass clef. How notes written in staff. Notes are written on the five-line staff where their vertical position indicate pitch and the clef at the beginning determines which note each line or spaces represent. Notes are also written as oval note heads, which can stem pointing up or down. Stem direction depends on the note's position relative to the middle line of the staff. It points down for the notes above the middle line and up for the notes below it. For example, this one, the first note is belongs to the fourth octave. The second note, which is a C5, belongs to the fifth octave. The C6 or the third note belongs to the sixth octave, and the last or the fourth note belongs to the second octave in piano. And this is the example of folk song. I'm going to sing this folk song by reading its notes in step. Okay. Okay. For example, like this is Leron Leron Sinta. Leron Leron Sinta, buko ng papaya, dala-dalay buslo, sisidla ng bunga, pagdating sa duloy, nabali ang sanga, kapus kapalaran, humanap ng iba. Next is paru-parong bukid or the butterfly field. paro-parong bukid, nalilipad-lipad sa gitna ng daan, papagapagaspas, sangbara ang tapis, sandangkal ang manggas. And this is the example of Filipino folk song music in step. This is the end of my reporting, or this is the end of what I learned in teaching music in elementary grades. Thank you so much for watching.